founder Jeff Bezos, along with three other crew members, flew to space and returned 11 minutes later in what they have described as an unforgettable experience. The crew consisted of Bezos and his brother, along with Oliver Damon, who is 18 years old and the youngest person to ever fly to space, as well as Wally Funk, an 82-year-old former astronaut trainee who is the oldest person to go into space. The Blue Origin spacecraft flew 100 kilometers above the Earth, and the passengers of the craft even got to experience a few minutes of weightlessness. Now, with both Richard Branson and Jeff Bezos going into space, space tourism is officially here to stay, and we will see many such trips like these soon in the future.
Igraasp, if you've ever felt that your internet is too slow and that you cannot watch your favorite shows, let us introduce you to these engineers in Japan who have broken the record for the fastest internet speed in the world. Researchers at Japan's National Institute of Information and Communication Technology have managed a speed of 319 terabits a second. For those of you who aren't aware about internet speeds, this basically means you can download close to 50,000 movies in just a second. This high-speed internet uses already existing technologies of optical fibers, which means, theoretically, with enough investment and research, this could be possible in India too.
NASA astronauts are spicing things up. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station have started growing chili peppers. Peppers are highly nutritious, making them a great choice for crew during deep space exploration. Crew members will be able to enjoy the spicy snacks in about 4 months. NASA is looking at ways to provide astronauts with nutrients in a long-lasting, easily absorbed form. The challenge is how to do without sunlight or Earth's gravity. Presently, a variety of plants, including 3 types of lettuce, Chinese cabbage, Mizuna mustard, red Russian kale, and zinnia flowers have successfully been grown in space. Interesting, isn't it?
Sweat, sweat, and convert it into electricity. You heard it right, Igraspers. Researchers from UC San Diego Jacobs School of Engineering have developed a device which can stick to your fingertip and generate small amounts of electricity when a person's finger sweats. The device can also generate extra power when you press on it. Lu Yin, a nanoengineering PhD student, explained that the sweat evaporates from our fingertips as soon as it is released, since fingertips are well ventilated. So rather than letting it evaporate, the device is used to collect the sweat and generate energy. Exciting, isn't it?
Did you know, Igraspers, that recently scientists have been stunned by lightning above the Arctic in the north of Alaska? Lightning strikes that far north are incredibly rare, as usually enough convective heat is needed for lightning to form, which doesn't happen in the Arctic as its water is largely covered in ice. These storms are expected to increase threefold, with many scientists unsure on what's causing it.